Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 30th, 2025, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 111.41% since we initially recommended purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings just 1 week ago. This corresponds to an average return of approximately 15.92% each day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the most recent developments, we are unable to ascertain the stock's subsequent direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through a wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even more robust rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the upper boundary of the current trend, previously breached at $6.39. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on potential gains. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 133.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 9.06% to 71.06%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 37.47% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 68.62% and negative 8.25%. This translates to a price range from $2.73 to $7.99 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings highlights significant volatility in the stock price on Friday, which concluded trading at $8.71. On the last trading day, the stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings surged by 28.66%, climbing from $6.77 to $8.71. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 42.71%, with a low of $6.52 and a high of $9.31. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 110.9% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw a boost, with 65 million additional shares changing hands compared to the previous day. In total, 226 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1,970 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $9.31 and its lowest price of $1.17. Currently, the price stands 6.39%, or 59.5 cents, below the 52-week high and 45.97%, or $7.41, below the all-time high of $16.12, which was recorded on April 6, 2022. BigBear.ai has been experiencing significant momentum in the stock market, with shares surging to all-time highs recently. This development has contributed to an impressive increase of 45% in share price and has generated enthusiasm among investors regarding the company's future growth prospects. The current trend in small and mid-cap AI stocks, supported by favorable economic data and declining treasury yields, further bolsters BBAI's upward trajectory. Analysts have highlighted the potential for continued gains, considering the stock's recent performance, along with expectations for future contracts and business opportunities in a rapidly evolving AI landscape. In the short term, positive sentiment and increased trading volume could lead to further price appreciation. Long-term, BigBear.ai's strategic positioning within the AI sector, particularly its focus on defense and critical analytics, suggests robust growth potential as it captures more market share in a burgeoning industry. As AI technology continues to play an integral role across various sectors, investors will likely keep a close eye on BBAI to evaluate its performance and overarching impact on stock price. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was again reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $5.73 and $4.19. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, and thus far, the stock has risen by 192.28%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence. A buy signal has been indicated. Pivots. A buy signal was observed 19 days ago. Bollinger Bands. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.11 and $6.77. Without support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened as a drop below the support at $6.77 could lead to a significant decrease in the stock price. This stock may experience substantial movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $2.79 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a movement of 42.71%. For the previous week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 26.09%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts estimate earnings at a loss of 5 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $7.11. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.42, representing a decline of 3.32%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, further elevating the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 18 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these convincing enough to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate classification since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 10th, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower, down by 532 cents, starting at $8.18. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.